Hey everyone, so this is the 3 Plus Vibe Plus second generation. So this is the Vibe Plus 2. You can tell it's the second one because it has this purple box here. It doesn't say 2 on it though. But this is the second generation. So we of course have heart rate, sleep monitoring, 25 different sport profiles, actually blood oxygen saturation monitor, built-in GPS, which is really cool. This is only a $50 watch from Walmart, so it's a really cheap watch. 1.72 inch HD screen, of course activity tracking again, heart rate, notifications, built-in GPS. So let's see what this actually looks like here. So there's nothing else in the box here. I do get a charging cable. It is of course a proprietary charger. Kind of funky looking little charger there. User manual, quick start guide, and of course the watch itself. Very nice and easy. Set up there. A little bit of a sticker to peel off. So I mean, it looks basically like a knockoff Apple Watch. I mean, that looks very close to what I would say an Apple Watch. People just take a quick glance, they would not know any better. But it's a lot cheaper than an Apple Watch. So we do have your heart rate sensor on the back here. Let's see, 3 atmospheres, water resistant. So it is actually water resistant, so it's really cool. Again, SpO2 and heart rate on there as well. This is where it will charge on up. It's a decently strong magnet. We have like a little dial here. These are replaceable bands. I believe they are 22 millimeter going off of their website. So you just have a little guy there. You just pull on, and then it snaps on off. Now I'm gonna have a hard time getting this back on, but then you just somehow snap it back in there. Best that you can. Let's see. And of course, shouldn't have done that. Hard to do in the position I'm sitting in right now. Anyway, we'll come back to it. These are easy to get on, just as long as you're not in an awkward position like I currently am. So let's see if it turns on or not. Okay, does not seem like it has any battery. But anyway, this is just a very quick unboxing. I will make an actual review of this guy as well here. Band actually doesn't feel bad. I'm actually rather surprised for being a $50 watch. I thought for sure this would be a super cheap feeling band. Thing itself feels okay as well. I mean, it's just all plastic. But again, for 50 bucks, it doesn't feel like a $50 watch. There's definitely worse feeling watches you can buy for around this price, including from Walmart. So yeah, so a few years ago, I did the first Vibe Plus. You can seem to get a decent amount of views. People seem to like that watch. So we'll see how this does. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty nice. Again, this will go back on there easy. It's just I'm in an awkward position to get this back on there. Just kind of snap it on in one way then the other. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos on this. It does look pretty nice, and it has quite a bit of features on it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Again, 3 Vibe Plus second gen. Goodbye.